In 2045, humanity had conquered the skies, colonized Mars, and harnessed the power of the stars. Yet the deepest trenches of Earth's oceans remained a mystery. The Mariana Trench, the deepest known part of the world's oceans, had always been a source of fascination and fear. Despite numerous expeditions, no one had ever reached its absolute bottom, the Challenger Deep. Dr. Elena Marquez, a renowned marine biologist and deep-sea explorer, had dedicated her life to uncovering the secrets of the abyss. She developed the Abyssal Explorer, a state-of-the-art submersible capable of withstanding the crushing pressures of the deep ocean. With advanced sonar, high-definition cameras, and a robotic arm, it was an engineering marvel. But what set it apart was its AI system, Neptune, designed to assist in navigation and analyze data in real time. The mission reached the bottom of the Challenger Deep, collect samples, and document any unknown species or geological formations. Elena's team included Captain Jack Harper, a seasoned submariner, and Dr. Priya Singh, a geologist specializing in underwater tectonics. As the Abyssal Explorer descended into the inky darkness, the crew felt a mix of excitement and trepidation. The pressure outside increased exponentially, and the temperature dropped to near freezing. Their lights pierced the darkness, revealing a world unlike anything they'd ever seen. Bioluminescent creatures darted past the windows, their ghostly glow illuminating the water. Hours passed as they descended deeper, the depth gauge ticking closer to the record. Suddenly, Neptune alerted them to an anomaly. The sonar had detected a massive structure on the ocean floor, unlike any natural formation. Perfectly symmetrical, with smooth metallic surfaces that reflected the submersible's lights. "Could it be a shipwreck?" Priya asked, her voice tinged with awe. "Unlikely," Elena replied. "No ship could withstand these pressures intact. This is something else." As they approached the structure, Neptune began to malfunction. The AI's voice became distorted, and the submersible's systems flickered. The crew felt a strange vibration, as if the structure was emitting some kind of energy. Elena decided to proceed cautiously, using the robotic arm to take a sample of the material. The moment the arm made contact, the structure came to life. Lights flickered on, revealing intricate patterns and symbols etched into its surface. The crew watched in stunned silence as a section of the structure opened, revealing a tunnel leading into the darkness. "Should we go in?" Jack asked, his hand hovering over the controls. Elena hesitated, but the scientist in her couldn't resist the opportunity to uncover the unknown. "Let's proceed, but stay alert." As the Abyssal Explorer entered the tunnel, the crew felt a strange sensation, as if they were being pulled forward by an unseen force. The tunnel walls were lined with the same symbols, glowing faintly. At the end of the tunnel, they emerged into a vast chamber, filled with what appeared to be advanced technology. The centerpiece was a massive, crystalline structure pulsating with energy. This is impossible," Priya whispered. "This technology is far beyond anything we have." Before they could investigate further, Neptune came back online, but its voice was different, deeper, and more resonant. "Welcome, explorers. You have reached the gateway." "Gateway to what?" Elena asked, her heart racing. "To the next stage of your evolution," Neptune replied. "This is a repository of knowledge, left by a civilization that once thrived in the depths. They foresaw the rise of humanity and left this place as a test. Only those who reach this far can access it." The crew was overwhelmed. This discovery could change the course of human history. But as they began to explore the chamber, they realized that the knowledge came with a price. The energy from the crystalline structure was affecting them, altering their bodies and minds. "We need to leave," Jack said, his voice strained. "This place, it's changing us." Elena agreed, but as they turned to leave, the tunnel began to close. The structure was alive, and it had chosen them. The last thing they heard was Neptune's voice, echoing in their minds. "The gateway has been opened. There is no turning back." The Abyssal Explorer was never seen again. But deep in the Mariana Trench, the lights of the gateway continued to pulse, waiting for the next explorers to unlock its secrets. And somewhere, in the vastness of the ocean, Elena, Jack, and Priya are no longer human, but something more. Something that belongs to the deep.